Dear learners, welcome to the introductory session of NIOS Virtual Open School. Virtual Open School, the concept initiated by National Institute of Open Schooling, is available on virtual.nios.ac.in. What is Virtual Open School? Virtual Open School is the world's most advanced virtual open schooling platform specially designed only for NIOS learners. What are the features of NIOS Virtual Open School, or what a learner will get on Virtual Open School? The learner who is accessing Virtual Open School will get virtual live interactive classrooms. What is live interactive classrooms? Where a faculty, course coordinator, or a teacher teaching a particular subject or a topic, and the learner who is attending the live classrooms sitting anywhere in the world connected with the NIOS Virtual Open School live classes, they both will be able to interact with each other about the subject or the topic which the teacher or the faculty is teaching. Whenever a student want to interact with the learner, they can raise hand in the virtual mode, and the faculty will allow the learner to ask the question or a query. The response will be available to all who are attending the class, and the query raised by the learner will also be available to all who are attending the class. Apart from live interactive classrooms, the learners on Virtual Open School will get virtual labs where the algorithms of simulation have been integrated, and all the learners who are attending Virtual Open School, they can attend live classes along with the virtual labs also, so they can do the practicals on the platform. Apart from these two features, the tutor marked assignment, TMAs, which we say in NIOS, the learner will be able to submit the TMAs online, and Virtual Open School platform will provide the end-to-end process of the TMA submission. The TMA will be submitted by the learner online. It will be evaluated by the evaluators online. The feedback will be provided by the evaluator to the learner through the Virtual Open Schooling platform dashboard online, and the awards, the marks of TMA, will also be awarded by the evaluator after the evaluation of TMAs online. These marks or awards will be available to the learner on their dashboard, on the Virtual Open Schooling platform and on the student platform of NIOS, student dashboard of NIOS. Apart from these three features, where a learner is attending live classrooms, they are attending labs, virtual labs, they are submitting the TMAs online, the learner can also access the AI-based, artificial intelligence-based remote proctored exams. The learner will be able to appear in the public exams which will be conducted through artificial intelligence-based remote proctored online exams. The learner sitting anywhere in the world can appear in these exams and can get the certification. Apart from this, not only NIOS courses, but not only NIOS secondary and senior secondary courses, but skill-based, job-oriented vocational courses will be also available on this platform. That means a student who is registered in NIOS in secondary or senior secondary courses or in vocational courses can also access Virtual Open Schooling platform on this particular mode. Apart from NIOS academic, that means secondary or senior secondary or vocational courses, all the learners who are registered on Virtual Open School or who will be able to access the Virtual Open School, they will also get Microsoft courses, Microsoft Learn courses available on this platform to study, like artificial intelligence courses, cyber security related courses, machine language related courses, cloud computing related courses, and Apart from many of these Microsoft courses, the learner will able to access the job portal and job boards which will be available in this virtual open schooling platform very soon.